Several weeks ago, after meeting with two interracial groups, I saw a star of hope, intimating that a better way was in sight for Roanoke to improve human relations without demonstrations, boycotts, or lawsuits. I have attended several meetings recently, which I received the impression that the star of hope has disappeared, leaving only a ray of hope. Men who are in high places deem it wise not to use the influence of their office to give validity to a biracial commission which could lead to constructive social action. In our monthly NAACP meeting last night, our position to support nonviolent demonstrations were reconfirmed